Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Diana and I make giant crepe paper and foam flowers for decorations. I just had one very big and beautiful order with spring flowers for Easter theme. You will see them in the end of this video, but this time I wanted to show how I make stands for them, or bases if you call them. So I use 25mm thickness MDF. Size depends from what size of flowers you have and how many you usually have. When there's 3 flowers like I have now, or 5, it was 40 by 40 centimeters squares. Smaller flowers could be fine on 30 centimeter squares too. Here is how I smooth the edges, because after cutting in shop they are quite sharp and I don't want to send to customer them like that. So I always use router and just smooth the corners. Then of course they need holes for rods. I have 14mm for large flowers. When it's light and small flowers and small pipes used for stems, then rods can be 10mm. Most of times I use 14. For rods I use steel tubes. In shops they are usually 1 meter long, so I have cut them at home. The next step is priming. I do 2 layers of it, especially on the sides, because without that paint kind of disappears in it. So if stand's not gonna be covered with flowers or fabric or something, it's better to prime it. And to put rods in the stands, at first I usually rub them with the insulation tape, otherwise they are very wobbly and get out easily. And then last step of course is to spray paint. And of course it's just a one way of how it's possible to make stands for flowers. You need to try and try and try to make best way for you, because it depends if you're using it outside or indoors. These stands will be better indoors, not outdoors, because they are very light. Wind will be big problem for them. If order is for outdoors and for longer use, then I usually go with concrete and make it in a pot. And here's final result of my spring flower order. Luckily it was very sunny and no wind day, so it was easy to make pictures. And for these flowers I have tutorials in my channel as well, so if you wanna try, I hope it's all helpful. I hope you enjoy and you will try to make some flowers yourself too. In the end of this video there's short videos from my customer too. So thank you for your watching. Thank you for likes and subscribes. That means a lot.